Okay, so we'll log in here and then we'll log in here as well. Okay, it wasn't in this class. Okay, so where do we start from? Brand new servers. What do we want to do?
Configure our NAT add.
Okay, you mean prepare the two servers for networking, right?
Yes.
For connectivity with each other. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So let's go. Prepare them for connection and then probably do SSH.
Yeah, I think we lost that. We didn't record that one. So
Okay, yeah, we'll just do it now. All right, so let's quickly prepare the servers for network. And now participants can now see your screen. They'll be seeing it now. Okay, so we say, okay, machine settings, network. What do we do here? Host only adapter. Correct. That is done. And then same thing here. Host only adapter. All right, that's fine. What's the next thing?
Do we need
IP
to
address?
do the NAT? Okay, IP address.
Yeah, if you want, you can do the NAT right away, but we need to shut down. Let's just fulfill your righteousness. There's no need to rush. Let's shut down and then shut down and then quickly come here and do what? For Linux, we go to settings and then we'll go to network. Adapter 1 is fine, so we add adapter 2 and we'll make that now. Okay. But there's something about this system. Let me quickly come back here to settings and go to systems and go to this mouse place and take this. Hopefully my mouse will behave better with that. If I come back here and I do the same thing for settings, network, adapter 2, nah. Okay. And then let me quickly check the mouse settings as well. I go back there and I see system. For my mouse, let me use USB tablet. And I see I can start the system. We start Linux 2, then we start Linux. All right. All right, what's the next thing you want to do?
IP address.
Okay. All right, so let's come here and do IP address, which is my password. Yeah, the mouse is behaving better. All right, the mouse is doing good. Okay, so we go to application. We go to, let me extend this, terminal. Same thing here, terminal. What's the IP address of this system? How do we find out?
Ifconfig.
Ifconfig, right?
Yes.
So ifconfig. All the interfaces are represented. Our interest is interface ENP0S3. What do we have here? What's the IP address?
There's no IP address.
No IP address, correct. So what do we do? What do you think the problem is?
We have to turn it on first. Turn that interface on.
This is treasure, right?
Yes.
So turn the interface on. How do we do that? We say if up, then the interface is ENP0S3. Yeah, we know we're going to have problems, but let's just pretend everything is. And then it says user cannot control this device. So what do we do?
We have to log in as root.
Log in as root. Okay, let's log in as root. Or what's the other option? So, okay, maybe we're not there yet. Let's reserve that one. So let's log in as root. That will be SU. Then what's root password? We are now root. We are now root. So if we now do if up for ENP0S3, it's going to say successfully turned on. And if we now do if config for all the interfaces or specifically for ENP0S3, we're going to see that there is now an IP address. Correct. All right, so we'll do the same thing here. So since we already know that we need to change root, so we'll do SU. What was that? I've detected one problem. For more information.
You already root, right?
Yeah, I'm root anyway. Yes. Okay, so I don't know what that problem is. No. Want to if up, right? If up interface ENP0S3. All right. So if we do if config, instead of that, we could do pipe more so that everything does not scroll off, and then this one will hang on for us to see that. Wow, this time the IP addresses
they don't have same IP.
They do belong to the same family because this is 192.168.56.102. This is the same family name .101, so they are good. So the dynamically assigned IP addresses are good for our purpose. All things being equal, they should be able to ping each other now. Let's do ping. I mean, all things being equal in terms of if we have done every other thing correct. 192.168.56.102. All right, so that's good. It's working well. So simple and straightforward, but it took several months of practice to get this right. All right, so come here and then we say you ping your neighbor, and your neighbor's address is 192.168.56.
Yes, the 101.
Okay. All right, this is good. But I'm afraid that this will be good only temporarily. Let us give permanent IP address so that we don't have to. And we always says, yeah, let's not rely too much on this dynamically assigned IP address because it keeps changing. Next time the system reboots, it may not assign this same IP address. All right, so we'll break it, and then we'll say, let's configure the file that has the IP address. The file is saved in
Etsy.
Yeah. Okay.
Sys config.
Okay, sys config.
Network script.
Okay, network scripts.
Then we find the file there, ifcfg.
Okay, let's get in there here. Okay, then we can now look around ls -l, and then we remember that if we scroll up, we can pipe it, or we scroll up, we'll find it. Yeah, we can do more. Yeah, right. So yeah, let's do the more. ls more. So right there, you can copy, Control C,
So
and
we
we see
VI.
VI, yeah, and then copy this, copy and paste me now. I don't like using copy. Yeah, let's just type. It will work more in the cloud. Than if CFG
dash
ENP
0S3.
Okay, ENP
0S3.
0S3. All right, so this is the file. We do we're working as root. Okay, that's fine. Otherwise, it will not let us save if we didn't. All right, so we're not used to all of this. But we can actually I did this. We can just do it's not like sorry.
But what if we just keep this configuration and just change the boot proto to static?
Yes, we can do that.
Same IP. Okay.
Yes. What am I doing now? I don't know how I got here. Let me escape here first. Let me escape. Quit without saving. Bam. Okay, so what's going on? I do VI that as root. Yes. What's it telling me? I'm not sure about that error. So escape, quit, just to avoid yes, that's a good one. So clear screen, right? So that has no effect. Then switch user to Akin.
Go back to it.
Okay, then actually exit here. Exit. Okay. There are no jobs. Okay, so switch user. Okay, so we'll do VI if
CFG dash EMP 0S3.
Okay, all right. Found a swap file by the name this, okay, owned by root. Yes, I need you to forget that file so that we can create a new. You can open a new one. While opening this file, dated this. Another program. Where's that file? Let's see. Because I pressed something, brought in another file. So let's see. Otherwise, there's Is it hiding anywhere? All right. So
yeah, I think it just says you should delete the one ending with SWP. That's the swap or something. Swap
okay, let me read it. Another program may be editing this same file, okay? An edit session for this file crashed. Yes, I knew that something happened. If this is the case, use recover or vim this to recover the changes. No, I don't want. If you did already, delete the swap file this. I don't need.